What if watching your favorite TV shows could actually help you learn a new language? But what if it turns out to be more entertainment than effective language practice? That's the question behind this Lingopie review, where I took a closer look at how the platform works, what it offers, and whether the results justify paying for it. Lingopie takes a different approach from traditional language learning apps by putting real TV shows, movies, and videos at the center of the learning experience. Instead of spending all your time memorizing isolated vocabulary, you're exposed to natural conversations, different accents, everyday expressions, and the way native speakers actually communicate. One of its more useful features is interactive subtitles, which allow you to click on unfamiliar words and get their meaning without completely stopping your viewing. There are also vocabulary tools and other learning features designed to turn regular entertainment into something more educational. In my experience, this approach can make language exposure feel less repetitive, especially if you already enjoy watching content in your target language. However, there are some limitations worth considering. Beginners may find authentic conversations too fast or difficult at first, and simply watching shows even with subtitles doesn't automatically mean you'll become fluent. Your results depend heavily on how actively you use the learning tools and how consistently you practice. Another important factor is whether the available content matches the language you actually want to learn and your personal interests. After looking at the overall experience, Lingopie doesn't come across as an obvious scam, but I also wouldn't call it a complete language learning solution for everyone. It has a genuinely interesting method, but its value depends on your learning level, goals, and willingness to practice beyond watching. So, is Lingopie worth it? It can be useful for the right learner, but before paying, consider whether its content and learning style actually fit the way you study.